Good morning, universe. It's your boy, Universoul Ant, and you are now tuned in to the Universoul Ant Show. We will be going through some topics on self-awareness, some unboxings, some unpackagings, and I'll have some interviews going for you guys as well. But today, I wanted to get started with unpackaging. My boy Sigidy hit me with the flood pack, baby. Yes, sir. 734 legend, man. I'm talking about straight from the dirt, the mud, man. I love this guy, man. My boy Christian Bass, who is an artist and a creative as well, has been influential for the 734 community for a very long time, and is one of my closest partners when it comes to like being inspired by each other. I've yet to make a track with him, but like we always go back and forth in music, and like can't wait for that to happen either. But yeah, this pack is from Sigidy. He has a album out called Flood.
Oh my gosh, cut that! Cut it!
Check out his music. Check out his flood gear, man. It's all good. I had to erase the address for you people. $5 for shipping, my guy, man. Thank you. Sigidy knew that it was my birthday coming up, so he hit me with a package, man. I can't wait to open this thing. Please subscribe, man. I just have you liking and subscribing lets me like keep going and spreading the message even farther, man. So definitely thank you for doing that. Thank you for taking the time to watch and all that. Yeah, without further ado, let me open this up, and like you can see, I didn't seal it back or anything. Like it's a pure reaction right here, right now.
Once I get it open. Oh,
We're going the long way. Ooh, the card here. Wait. The card, baby. Yeah, Sig. Good stuff, man. For real, that's lit. Oh yeah, got all the social information, all that. Super official. The old Piston Sigidy. Let's see what we got here, man. Ooh, with the tags on it too. Baby. Ooh, hit him with the freaking neon, baby. Look at that. Got the official tags with it and everything, man. I really appreciate this, Sig. Dang, you did your thing on this, boy. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's dope. Let me throw it on for you. The gear, baby. Flood Central right here, man. Ooh. It fits too perfect, boy. Ooh, the gear, man. I feel, oh my gosh, with the little edge logos and all that. Dang, boy. Look at this. I feel at home, Sig. I feel at home in this stuff, man. I'm gonna be feeling at home walking in the streets of New York like, ooh, Flood Central, baby. Yeah. Good stuff, man. Man, this is great. Thank you so much. I super freaking appreciate your work and like everything you're doing for the community, bro. It's freaking crazy. Keep doing it. I'm gonna get at you when I get home, no doubt, for sure. You're gonna get at me when you come out here, no doubt. And yeah, everybody, please go follow Sigidy. Go get on what he's doing for the community. Talking to my home base people. And for the rest of the world, man, this is a good movement for hip hop and just for the culture in general. I'll be dropping Sigidy's information, like links and all that, in the description here. If you guys wouldn't mind liking this video and like subscribing, so that next time I come out with a video, you guys can touch base and see what's cracking on that. We're gonna keep this thing moving. Positive flood movement, always rocking. Yeah, boy. So yeah, that's unpackaging from your boy Universoul Ant. Make sure to tune in for next week's video on ADHD. I'm gonna be just discussing some different points on ADHD and like talking back and forth with you guys, seeing what you guys think about it too. So make sure you tune in. Mondays is when I'm gonna be dropping videos, and please like, subscribe, like wherever that thing is, push that button for me, man. Like, I'm trying to build this thing up into a community where we can, where we all get that good community feeling and keep pushing positivity to another place on this platform. So, yeah, it's your boy Universoul Ant in the flood gear. Thank you, Sigidy, man. All the links in the description for sure. Keep rocking. Love and light. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about like, this is coming from a kid who's been like a leader and a motivator to me for the hip hop community in the 734 and beyond. Like, I take these vibes everywhere I go, man, and I just want to let you know, Sigidy, I super freaking support everything that you're doing right now, and I hope that this gets you like at least one more follower, man, because you're really putting in work and doing a good job at positively influencing our area, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. So, oh, I gotta take a breather. Holy